get ready with me to go shopping. I'm okay now. Sorry if I worried you. We'll get the hospital stories later, okay? Right now, we're going thrifting, okay? So, put a pin in it, okay? I'm fine though. But I do gotta take, let me hold my hand over all my info, what I was prescribed so I don't hurt. The fuck do you open this? Because I want a monster. And if I want one, I gotta take this and then wait a good minute. Yeah, but I'm good now. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Wee ball. Anyways. See, I've got monsters I've been waiting to drink, and I haven't been able to, because well, you shouldn't take monsters with medication, but I don't hurt too badly today, like at all, which is really nice, actually, when you think about it. I think right now got wolf shirt, yeah, and shorts, and then a bunch of chains and accessories, but I'm gonna go shower first, because when you're in pain you can't really shower. If you can't stand, then like, not really an option, but I have to go shower so I'm not greasy. BRB. And then I'll have the fit on. Shower. Go to that outfit. I hate my... Brian! Okay. See, then it gets too bright, but whatever. Wolf shirt. It says Yellowstone. I can't remember where that is. And I got cool shorts. Epic as hell. Get away. I hate my phone. Stop it. Okay, got socks. They got pishes on them. But they're inside out. I usually don't like to wear matching socks because that's too much effort, but you're gonna be able to see these because I'm wearing my Converse. So. Cute socks. See, they got cats getting fishies on them. I hate. Come on, go somewhere else. I hate my phone. I hate it. I also don't know. Being taken by the light. Hello? Okay. Wow. There we go. I don't know if I can do that, actually. I'm sitting down. Forget I'm recovering from injuries. I got a bunch of bruises on me from getting IVs. Why is heaven taking me? What are we doing here, man? Stop. Okay. Anyways, Jesus. Yeah, it's also hot. There we go. Alright, and then my accessories. I did not face the window because the window fucking sucks, I guess. Alright, there. Chain. Because I like chains. I like trains. It's tangled. That's rude. I think I'm gonna... Yeah, I think I like that. Instead of put it around my neck. Because I already have dog tags I want to wear. That's good. And I've also got... Where is he? Oh, I got a little wolf. Goober. You go on this side. Do I have any clippies over here? No. Hoping I can clip them over there. That's okay. I think a little bit up front. Yeah. You got a wolf on me. Okay. And then Dog head. Longer dog head. Just thinking bracelets, but I don't know if it'll match the vibe. I've only got a few. And they're all like pink, blue, and beige. Or I've only got 3. I can't count. My German one. This is my like favorite bracelet ever. Oh yeah, I also made more. I don't know if they match the fit though. Yeah, I'll think of these. Really. And don't forget hygiene. Anyway, funny sounds. I hate these. Am I stupid? I think I'm stupid. I can't roll it. Oh, stupid. Alright, man. Okay, I did it. Fucking thing would not go up. Pissing me off. But I have an all body one because I sweat a lot. And it doesn't really fucking work. So, like, yeah. But this one does go up. Somebody walking around. Yay! And then, oh, I think that one might be bigger. What was that? Stay down here. On the horizon, by Bath and Body Works. Oh my god. Okay. What? Oh, good outfit, I think. Yeah, I can have bracelets. They just need to not do that. They need to stay in place. Alright. I also got this, but I don't think it matches. I thought it might match. No, it's too bright. That's okay. But yeah. Okay, that's it. My hair has to dry out a bit, but it's pretty much just gonna look like this. And I don't feel like putting on makeup today. But here's a fit. And I'm gonna wear, I think, these shoes. Because I'm a loser. Okay. Have fun, stay safe. Don't explode. Quick thing, I have food, so this is way later. It's like 8 p.m. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got. For one, there was this rat puppet, right? Except they made it wrong, cause like puppets, you know, they're like this, right? Well, they did this, which doesn't really work for a puppet, cause it just looks like he has 4 arms. So this is my rat spider. I grew attached the second I saw it, so new puppet. I headcanon him as the manager of my other puppets, so he's gonna go with my other puppets. And I lost my freaking shit. I have volume 1 of this right over there. Look what I fucking found, dude. Look what I found. Volume 4. And also, this one and that one have like my favorite episodes. Insane. This has Pink Eye and Damien. So like, I like those episodes. Damien's episode's really fun. So I'm going to put this on top of my volume 1 over there. But yeah, also side note, I posted this on Twitter, or I'm going to, I don't remember if I did. But we stopped by Burger King to get like ice cream real quick, right? and because that was on the way to inside town. And this is a real quick story because I want to go eat, but I think it's really funny. These two grown-ass men, they're kind of younger, so I think like 20. They walk by, and the restaurant's kind of empty, right? A few people sitting. There's one person ordering, and so there's one employee. There's another employee, like setting food down for like people, like calling out numbers and stuff. And we're standing kind of in the middle of the line thingy, just looking at the menu. We're just gonna get ice cream. And these guys, they bark at us, right? Because my good old pal has like a cool tail keychain, which is just an accessory. No need to be a snowflake about it, but you know. Anyways, they bark. They bark at us. Except they don't make it obvious that they're barking at us, so that I know these types of people. So that if we react, they're like, oh, we were just, you know, we just do that. Making fun of us, whatever. Die. But it backfired on them. If this fucking felt like a movie. Genuinely felt like a movie. And we were like, that just happened. They bark at us. And then the guy is like, you know, I just barked at people younger than me. Okay. But to everyone else, these two grown-ass men just barked for no reason. No one's paying attention to me and my pal, because we're just minding our own beeswax. Everyone's looking at those two because they just barked for no reason. Like, like, loudly. This Burger King's, like, empty. Hello? And they look around, like, the guy looks around, his face just drops once he realizes that no one's making fun of us. They're looking at you. Because, like, the employees stop, right? Like, kind of slow down because they want to make sure everything's good, right? Make sure there's not an issue. But we just continued looking at the menu. And the guys kind of just, like, and they do that, like, white boy trying to be cool swag walk where they, like, which, fuck off. Walk normally, stupid. Loser. Frankly. But yeah, it was really funny. So, highlight of my day. I got my fucking sick-ass wolf shirt. Yeah. And we went to a video game store and it got complimented. So, fuck you, grown-ass man. But yeah, their ego shrunk 3 sizes that day. They really did. So, yeah. So I got to see 2 assholes get their comeuppance, and get South Park. So I'm winning. I'm also better. As I said at the beginning, I don't remember what they're called, but I took a thing, and it makes my stomach not hurt. Because now that the pain's gone, my main issue is nausea, because it's pushing against my tummy and intestines, and it makes me nauseous and not able to eat. So I got medication for that. So, we're vibing. I will hospital story time later. For now, I'm gonna eat. Okay, have fun, bye.